Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature, typically down at Haulover Inlet, but today we are visiting the Point Pleasant Canal, and it's going to be an interesting day. The canal is ripping, there's lots of traffic, it's going to make it an interesting one as our captains try to battle with the canal, but hopefully they have better luck than last time. The last time we visited here, the canal swept it and went 3-0. Let's go ahead and get our competition started, and we'll step into the first round where we're going to have a Sea Ray stepping in the ring trying to do battle with the canal, and we've got some issues up front. Somebody's in the bow trying to make a repair of some kind, but that extra weight's not going to help, and oh man, they get nailed right off the bat. Our crew, he's trying to make the repair, gets smacked dead in the face. The canal just lets them have it. And from here, it's all about the recovery. They've got to get this bow up a little bit to try and get some of this water out. You can see the bilge pump right here on the side of the boat is working overtime. This thing is putting in that work to try and get the water out of the boat, but they continue to stuff the bow. This is an ugly scene that could get out of hand fast. They've got to get this weight to the back. Definitely need to move the people out of the bow of the boat, get them back to the stern, and try and get this bow up and out of the water before they take on too much water and wind up like one of our contestants the last time we were here, who wound up sinking their boat right here in the canal. This crew is starting to look okay. They're through the roughest part of the canal, but let's see how they finish it out. And I mean, man, that bilge pump's working. We're finally getting people back to the stern of the boat. And it looks like they're going to make it through, but the damage has been done. The canal absolutely rocks this boat, and the canal takes the win in the first round. I mean, this was an unbelievable scene. There was water everywhere on everything. Let's see if our second round contestant can have a little better luck than our guys in the first round did. And here we go. We've got a pontoon making its way through the canal. No! He stuffs it almost immediately. And man, we're going to stuff it hard here. The motor's going to come out. He slams it in reverse to try and get this thing back to level. What a scene. The canal is wreaking havoc on these captains. And man, this is not good. They stuffed it. They're going to take a loss here. And the canal goes up 2-0 right up front. I mean, this is bad. The canal swept it last time. We're going to head into the third round. The boat's got to take a win or the canal's going to sweep it again. And here we go. We've got a scout making its way through the canal. Cap actually has a pretty solid pace right here. I like this plan of attack. The bow's up a little bit. We've only got one person in the bow, and here he's going to slow it down. Hopefully this wave doesn't push him back into the other one, but it looks like he's going to keep the bow up and take a win for the boats, and the boats finally get on the board. Let's see if they can carry that momentum into the fourth round and try and pull out a win. And here we go, another scout making their way through the canal, and this man has a solid approach as well. Keeping the bow high, just taking his licks, and they're not going to have any issues and take a win for the boats in the fourth round, and we're at a 2-2 tie. Going into our fifth and final round, who will take a win in this episode? Will it be the boats or the canal? And here we go, another Sea Ray, and man, another boat just came flying through here, kicking up some wake, and they're going to stuff it. They're going to stuff it. He's arguing with the other captain who just came through throwing the wake and wasn't paying attention, and by doing so, they wind up stuffing the bow, and now he's got himself a little bit out of whack. But it's it. It's done. I mean, we've only got a few rules here on Boats vs. Haulover, and one of them is if you stuff the bow, you take the loss. So unfortunately, our captain's going to take the loss, and the canal is going to win again. The canal right now is 2-0. This is unbelievable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.